Hello, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom, and I'm Tom, and today we're going to be trying to cook this Smithfield tenderloin here, and it's been seasoned, and it says it's slow roasted, golden rotisserie flavored. So I never had seen one of these before, never have had one before, and so I thought I'd get one and try it. So let's see if we can get out of this wrapper. Okay, now let's cut down in here. We'll cut into the meat. I'll keep from it. I'll get it out of there. Alright, that looks pretty good right there now. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is we'll take this rack over here, and this rack came with a Ninja FOODi. Pick this piece of meat up, lay it just right here on this rack. That's a perfect fit on that rack. Now let me get me a paper towel and wipe my hands or gloves. I do. We're going to bring it over here to the Ninja FOODi and set it right down in here, just like that. And now the instructions on the back of this package says cook at 425 degrees. Well, the Ninja FOODi won't go to 400 degrees. That's what it says. Cook between 33 and 45 minutes. And so we're going to try. I'm going to put 20 on it, and then I'll stop it at about 15 and check the temperature on the inside. And so first thing we're going to do is close the lid. And we'll turn on the power. Then we'll go hit the bake roast button. We'll run it on up to 400 degrees. And now, it's at 16. You know what, we're just going to leave it at 15 minutes. And like I said, after a few minutes I'm going to stop and check it. Now we'll go ahead and hit the start button so it can get started while I'm talking here. Because it says the internal temperature needs to be 160 degrees. So we'll let that thing run for a while now. And then I guess for about 10 minutes I'll go ahead and check the temperature with my thermometer to make sure how far along we are on it. So in the meantime, while y'all are waiting, if you can, give me a thumbs up and join my channel. I sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching my videos. It means a lot to me when you watch my videos. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, now it's been going for a little over 10 minutes. Let's take a look and see what it looks like in here. Oh boy, that's working out, isn't it? Let's check the temperature real quick. That sure is tender. That's nowhere near done. Tell you that. I know y'all can't see that thermometer. For one thing, my hand's right in the way. Another thing, I just don't think it'll pick up on that. But anyway, it's only a little under 90 degrees, so let's carry on with it. Let's go on down. Okay, now it just stopped, and let's take a look at it again. And we'll take the thermometer over here. Try it once more. Okay, that's got a ways to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put another 5 minutes on there. And I really think another 5 minutes will do it on this thing. So we'll shut the lid on here, and you know the drill on this. And we'll come over here and turn on the power again. And we'll hit bake roast. Right up to 400 degrees. We'll drop it down to 5 minutes and hit the start button. By the way, in case I forgot to tell you, this is a 1.38 of a pound tenderloin, pork tenderloin here, Smithfield pork tenderloin. So now you know what size it is. I don't think I told you what size. Now you know. Okay, now we're down to 10 seconds here, so let's take a look and see what we got this time. Maybe it'll be ready to go. Now it's going to stop in a second. Now, oh yeah. It's not going to be cooked any more than that. Next thing we got to do is get it out of this cooker. Okay, now let me see if I can pick this thing up out of here with these tongs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks nice right there. Cut into a piece of it and see how it is here. Okay, now it's been about 10 minutes since I took it out, so let's take a look and see what it looks like on the inside. I'll tell you right now, it just falls apart just about. Whoops, got to cut my tongs there. You can tell that's good and done on the inside. That sure does smell good too. I should have got me a fork. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Well, that's delicious right there. That's so good, I don't know if you want to put anything on it or not, maybe a little salt and pepper. But if you want to, you can put a little bit of this KC Masterpiece barbecue sauce on it. Squirt just a little bit in your plate. Like that. Of course, you probably want more than that in there, but I'm just doing this to let you see it here, and I'm going to see what it tastes like. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't think it can get any better than what that taste was I had a while ago. Okay, and there it was. Now that's good with the barbecue sauce on it too. It depends on whether you like the barbecue sauce or not barbecue sauce. So anyway, until next time, hope you enjoyed my little video because I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you can give me a thumbs up and join my channel if you can. And that's about it for this version of Around the House with Kay and Tom. And y'all come back and see me real soon. I hope to have another one for you real soon. And this tenderloin here is delicious. Sure to get one tried. They're not that expensive. They're pretty cheap for what you get. So until next time, y'all have a real good day now. Goodbye.